everyone, I'm Angela from the Tech Teach Grow team with another tech tip of the week for you. All right, so if you're wanting to set up notifications, you go to Tools, then down to Notifications. This first section is for comments. Notifications are available in Google Docs, Slides, Drawings, Sheets, pretty much any of the Google applications. It defaults to setting for all comments and tasks. So if somebody makes a comment on a document that you have, you would get an email. You can switch that so you only are notified when there are comments or tasks that are specifically for you. So if someone puts @ in your name, then those would be sent to you. Otherwise, you won't get an email. Or you can choose none. So if you go into the document, you'll see it, but you will not receive emails. Then in Google Docs, additionally, you can set up so that you are notified anytime someone adds or removes any content. So if there's any editing done to your document, you would know. This is defaulted to none, but you can put it on here if you have a document that you're working on together and you're wanting to track when changes are made or any information that way. Additionally, in Google Sheets, you have a few extra notifications. So if I go to Tools, Notifications, Edit Notifications, I choose how I want to be notified. Do I want to be notified anytime something is changed on the document? Or if I have a Google form that's related to this sheet, anytime a user submits the form, it can email me. And then I can choose, does it email me a daily digest? That means once a day, anytime those things happen, I would receive an email. Or do I want to be emailed right away? So immediately following that edit, I would get that email. Could get multiple emails in one day. So these are some different ways that you can track the way people are interacting with your documents. Hope it helps. And if you need extra help with this, reach out to a Tech Teach Grow to set and book some time with us. Thanks.